Alright guys, well, this is going to be the last video of my old girl here. Just a couple hours ago, front wheel right here, the axle broke from in here, hit the wall at 60 miles an hour. Saved my life. Did disconnect the batteries, so that way when I come back for them, my custom bracket, my custom battery bracket held up pretty good in there. I'll tell you what, I did really good on that. Come back for all the wires and stuff once insurance says I can. I lost my Alpha Owl headlights. Man, it was a good time, guys. But continue to follow the page, and we will we'll continue the next build. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Let's keep the page going, fellas. You guys have a good day. Be safe.